How to clip long form videos into shorts in CapCut. Let's get into it. Start by launching CapCut. When you have it open in this interface, you will see a long video to shorts icon here. Click into this. This is going to open up a different interface and it will prompt you to upload your video here. I have a video from a podcast online just for this tutorial. CapCut will give you this warning message, choose agree. The next step is to choose how much of this long form video you want it to analyze. You can analyze the entire thing depending on your credits, or you can click on these handles here and select a particular area of the video. Let's say, for example, I want to go for this area. Next, you can choose your caption template. There are a bunch of different presets that you can scroll through here to choose one that suits the brand that you're going for. For this example, I am just going to choose this one to keep it simple. Next, you have the option to set the duration for your short. Choose from one of these options that suits your projects best. For my example, I'm going to go for 30 to 60 seconds. You then have the option to prompt the AI to include specific moments. If you know that something particular has happened, you can input this here to make sure that it includes it. At the bottom here, CapCut will tell you how much time is needed and how much time you have left. So for this example, I need 46 minutes and I have 300 minutes left. Once you're happy with all of this configuration, you can click convert and then CapCut will get to work on creating your shorts. Once that has completed generating your shorts, you'll be presented with this window and it will tell you how many shorts have been created. You'll be able to scroll through these shorts and see what is created for you. If you hover over any of these shorts, you'll be able to click this play button and play back the video. You can do this for any of these videos. If you then like a particular video and you want to continue working with that one video, you can hover over it and you can either choose export, or if you want to make further tweaks to it, you can choose edit. This will open up a window that gives you basic editing ability, so we can change the captions, we can add effects if you want to, and you can also change the layout if you want it to have a different kind of fit for social media. If you want to edit in the classic CapCut style window, you can choose edit more. This is then going to load this into the normal CapCut video editor as a project, and here you will have more control of what you can do with this video. Now once you're done with this, you can come up to export like you normally would, and you can export it for social media, save it to your computer and then choose this blue export button, and that's all there is to it.